I believe that your brain is so complex. We are not even using 8% of our brain.
Because that's what L.I.F.T Pakistan is about, isn't it? But the world is changing. The world is shifting so fast today.
अपने मकाम को जब तक नहीं पहचानोगे उस वक्त ना अनलर्न कर सकोगे ना लर्न कर सकोगे.
Sometimes we lose commitment because we begin to fear it.
Muhammad Ali कहता था, I hate every minute of my practice.
I need an infrastructurally strong Pakistan.
It turns out that it was a complete disaster.
And that's the biggest value that I've had in my career, is that I've continuously invested in my network.
हर इंसान के अंदर talent है boss.
L.I.F.T, but happening all over the city. Happening in all the offices from the startups here.
No matter what you try to do in life, no matter how good your business is,
Turn that gap into an opportunity.
We're beginning to change that.
It's important to build a good ecosystem. You see it in your mind's eye.
Jumpstart Pakistan, L.I.F.T Pakistan, we welcome you to.
This would be the country where everybody would come in and would love to live here. And that's what ultimately Jumpstart would achieve.